Nityanandam. So we've come to the almost the final day of the Kailash Yatra, and oh God, no words to describe how beautiful the whole yatra has been. Just simply undescribable, mystical, very profound, very beautiful, and most extraordinary. I don't think there are enough words in the English dictionary to describe this entire journey. For me, it's been an intense journey of personal transformation and taking me to a level deeper, connecting with the energy within. I could experience the Shivoham energy vibrating right from when Swamiji had initiated us into Shivoham mantra. Shivoham is where I am acknowledging that I am Shiva, the cosmic energy itself. I am the embodiment of that energy. And right up until this moment, I still experience the vibration of Shivoham happening inside me. And the weather has been just fantabulous, beautiful, and very sunny, very nice. Not, not big clouds covering up the mountains and the snow peaks, and especially Kailash. We got like a whole full day view, like 8 hours at a stretch. We got an entire beautiful view of Kailash without a single cloud around. And the next day also we had a similar darshan, like 3 hours of beautiful space under the Kailash mountain. Of course, not to mention the beautiful bath in Manas Sarovar. It was very surprising that we actually had the bath on a Shravana Shomvar, which is the Monday of this particular Masa, the Shravana Masa. It's considered a very auspicious, this series of Mondays are considered very auspicious in the Vedic tradition. So, and Monday is, by the way, the day of Shiva himself. So it was an extremely auspicious time. Monday night, we had a dip in the Manas Sarovar. It was like 8:30 in the night, and we had blazing sun, very warm, and the waters were beautiful, very warm. And you couldn't ask for more. Neither was the weather rough, neither was it cold or chilly, or like how a lot of people had told us it's going to be ice cold and you just can't stand in the waters. None of that. Just simply beautiful, and simply right temperature. And we had such a beautiful, amazing dip. And as we were dipping in, we could see the clouds parting, and Kailash's magnificent, breathtaking view is right in front of our eyes. I don't know. I don't know if there's any expression that could contain the joy and the ecstasy that you go through when you see such a breathtaking, larger than life view it was for me. After which, of course, when we walked out and Swamiji gave us blessings, it was like, it was the best of all. So the whole trip has been a beautiful journey for me. I have not fallen sick at all. No breathlessness and no other symptoms, and it's simply just been energy, energy, energy all the way. And I don't think there's anything else to ask for in life. It's been so fulfilling. Thank you so much.